The user asks, how should I respond if she tells me I should go to name? It feels like every time she feels jealous of that girl, she pushes me to go be with her. Navigating the jealousy push, mastering the red light response. It sounds like you are dealing with a subtle form of emotional testing, where she uses another person, the other girl, to gauge your level of interest and your emotional stability. When she says things like, you should go to Namey, or maybe you should be with Name, she is often testing your reaction to see if you will get defensive, jealous, or easily swayed. Understanding the psychology, the test. Based on the framework, this behavior falls under the tests or low investment messages category, even though it feels heavy. She is essentially performing a test to see if you possess enough emotional stability to handle the mere mention of another person without losing your cool. Step guide to responding. If she pushes you towards someone else because of jealousy, follow these steps to maintain your power and attraction. Step 1. Do not chase or defend. The biggest mistake you can make is reacting with over-eagerness or defensiveness. If you immediately say, no, I only want you, or if you actually go to the other girl every single time she mentions her, you show that she has high emotional control over you. This signals a lack of emotional stability. Step 2. Maintain calm dignity, also known as the soft red light approach. Instead of reacting emotionally, respond with calmness and slight detachment. You want to signal that while you find her comment interesting, it doesn't shake your confidence. Example responses include, I hear you. Name is great, but I'm really enjoying what we have right now. Or a more playful and teasing response such as, are you trying to get rid of me already? Name is cool, but she doesn't have your certain qualities. Step 3. Apply the strategic pullback. Once you have given your calm response, pull back slightly. If she mentions the other girl, give a brief, confident answer and then focus on your own thing, your hobbies, your friends, or even just a slight delay in your next reply. This creates a sense of curiosity. Wait, am I actually losing him? Is he going to go to her? Step 4. Wait for genuine effort. Do not try to convince her that she is the only one. Let her realize it herself. You want her to move from a test, which is mentioning the other girl, to genuine effort, such as saying, I miss you, or I want us to be close. Only when she shows genuine effort should you return to being warm and affectionate. Personal advice, rules, and truths. Personal advice. When a woman mentions another person, she is often checking your frame. If your frame, your sense of self and confidence is strong, the mention of another girl shouldn't make you look desperate. Act as if her comment is a mere suggestion, not a command. The simple rule, don't chase the suggestion, hold your ground. One key truth. Jealousy is often an unconscious way to seek reassurance. If you give her reassurance by chasing her, you actually stop being able to provide it. Provide reassurance through your calmness, not your effort. The golden rule. Never let a mention of someone else shake your certainty about her. The simple formula, calm response plus slight detachment equals increased attraction. Thank you for using the UUltimate edition of the Love Map. Make sure to like and subscribe to our Love Map YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model is. Follow-up queries, you can ask me. Question 1, how do I tell if she is actually interested or just testing me? Question 2, can you give me more examples of playful teasing to use during the green light phase? Question 3, what should I do if she enters a hard red light phase after I pull back? Question 4, how can I move from a state of jealousy and tension back into a deep emotional connection or a yellow light phase,